Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A32 smartphone. Okay, now quickly open it up. Okay, so in top of we get this small box. Okay, now quickly open it. Let's see what we get inside it. So here you can see, here we get the SIM ejector pin, and inside it, okay, so inside it we get the reading manuals and warranty card. Okay, really disappoint, no back case available. Okay, so this is a really disappoint. And guys, here's the font self. You can see, here's the font self. It is in awesome black color, awesome blue, awesome violet, and awesome white is also available. Okay, give this aside and see what we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C cable, and guys, this is the charger. And if we talk about its output, so guys, this is a really good thing. It is a 15-watt fast charger you get in the box. Okay, so that's it. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here you can see as the phone in awesome black color. Quickly remove its plastic cover. So here you can see the phone in awesome black color, and if we talk about its design, you can see the design look really great. So you can see here you can see the difference in camera. Now the camera have his iconic look. This is the quad rear camera. Here you can see, not in quad, you can see the unique design is given by Samsung in Galaxy A32 smartphone. You can see the camera design looks great. You can see the punch hole, the 4-5. Okay, here you can see the 5 punch hole over there. Okay, so guys, the camera design looks great, and if we talk about its touch and feel, it also feels great. And if we talk about its physical overview, okay, in top we get the secondary microphone, and on this side we get the SIM tray on top. Now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So this is a really good thing. We get the triple slot. You can set 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. Keep this inside. And here we get the volume up and down and power key. And on bottom we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. Okay, and you can see on back we have the quad rear camera setup, 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and here's the LED flash. And on front, in Infinity U display, it has 20 megapixel front camera. Okay guys, I would like to say the phone quality is really good. You can see the design and quality of this phone is really good, and the camera design is unique. You can see. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. Okay, it has a MediaTek Helio G80 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.4 inches Full HD plus 90Hz Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot. It has 128 6GB internal storage variant available. It has quad rear camera setup, 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel with depth sense. It has 20 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. It has 5000 mAh battery with support 15-watt fast charging. It is running on Android 11 One UI 3.1, and if we talk about the security, it has under display fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So guys, here you can see I have set the device. The phone is starting. So here you can see guys, it has 90 Hz Full HD plus Super AMOLED screen. You can see. If we talk about the display, it is really very vibrant. You can see the display is really very beautiful and vibrant. You can see, there's no doubt. Just take a closer look. You can see the Super AMOLED screen is looking good. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification bar. Have full quick setting is available, you can see. NFC and always on display is also available. Guys, I would like to say the display is really smooth. You can see it has a really smooth display. You can see, no doubt. If we talk about the display is really very smooth. You can see, and you can see it is a super AMOLED display, vibrant display, I would like to say. The good thing is it has NFC support, all sensor, and the bad thing is Samsung DeX support is not available, no IS support in camera. This is the bad thing available in this smartphone. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So here you can see phone uses 24.9 GB out of 128 GB. Here you can see phone uses 90%, 19%. You can see 19% used. Okay, now go back, and if we go in about phone in software info, so you can see the One UI version is 3.1 and the Android version is latest Android 11. Yes, it is running on latest Android 11, which is a really good thing. And if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 1 February 2021. Okay, I would like to say the display is really very vibrant. Here you can see. And here we get the sidebar. You can see here we get the sidebar. Just slide from left to get this sidebar. And if we talk about its camera, here's some shots I have taken with Galaxy A32 smartphone. And if we talk about its under display optical fingerprint sensor and face unlock performance, quickly check this out. If we talk about the under display fingerprint scanner, here you can see output and okay, output. It takes some time to recognize my finger. You can see, okay guys, a delay. Here you can see. Do it again. So guys, the under display fingerprint sensor of this smartphone is below good. Yes, I would like to inform you that the under display fingerprint scanner of this smartphone is below good. Here you can see output. It takes time to unlock the phone. You can see. I hope Samsung will fix this in a new system update, but currently this is the issue. You can see it takes time to recognize my finger. And if we talk about the face unlock, I'm not seeing. I see. Okay, face doesn't match. Try again. I see. No match again. Do it again. I see. And it unlock. Guys, the face unlock and under display finger both are really very bad. I would like to inform you that both are bad. Here you can see the both are bad. Sometimes it takes, but sometimes you can see okay, face doesn't match, so it needs improvement. Yes, the under display fingerprint and face unlock needs a lot of improvement, and I think Samsung will fix this in a new system update. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A32 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.